of the mixing of the lights.
And
There's
guys,
one more.
keep in mind, the walls are not white. So that's going to make a
helps.
difference.
That's a good point, yes.
Yes, so there's where there's some.
So there's one more control in here. I'm going deep just so that you know it's there. You probably would never use this. This is each individual LED that's inside of the light that it's using to make up white. So right now these are all set at 30 level. I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to try and make my white that I think looks a little bit better, something more like that maybe.
Oh, that looks good though.
So now I'm going to go back over and I'm going to look and see what these things say. This has got 101 level. I think it's 255 might be the top. And it has a red, a green, a blue, an amber, and a lime. Those are the colors that it's trying to make white. And usually this lime one, if I get rid of the lime one, I can get a little bit better colors. So here, as I click on here, the arrow comes on here, which means I can increase it and go red or less red. So I'm only dealing with the red LEDs right now. Or I can say, oh, I want it really bright, so I want lots of green. Green is where we get most of the luminance from. And blue and red are lesser elements of it, but I want to increase the color temperature of this and go to 255, which is the top, or oh, that's a little bit too blue, let's go there. Now I just made, warm it up or take it down. I just made, and amber gives a little bit more luminance to it, so I probably want that one up, and let me add the blue in there. Oh, that's a little bit pinkish now. Let's take some red out. Oh, there's my white that I want. I did that by individually doing the LEDs. I wouldn't recommend it.
Yeah,
just
don't
go and pick
don't
your
sell
color
those
here.
guys this.
No, we don't need that.
This is
You don't,
a-
you don't, you don't,